Hello, and congratulate yourself on being brave and honoring your self care. Mindfulness entails awareness of the full spectrum of our emotions, thoughts, and senses.
Guys, what is going on? My name is Nathan from No Label Defines Me Coaching. Super excited to have you here. I can't wait to see what we create together through these 14 days. And I want to go ahead and introduce you to my friend Katrina.
I'm Katarina Gleisberg, mindfulness teacher and coach of Katarina Gleisberg Mindful Teaching. I started my career as an elementary school teacher. I taught special education, third grade, fourth grade, and ESL. And it was while I was teaching fourth grade that a behavior consultant came to our school and taught all the teachers a mindfulness strategy that was very short, very brief, but very powerful in its effects on classroom management and helping me as a teacher feel like a better teacher after mindfulness, and realizing a difference in my students as far as their perspective and ability to calm themselves down and accept accountability. And then when I moved overseas to teach English in Greece, I brought that strategy with me and noticed that all ages, all languages of students were showing much better calm, productivity, friendliness, collaboration, productivity after mindfulness. And then I noticed the same thing in Panama. And then the same thing when I moved back to the US and I was teaching adults. And the drastic, powerful results of similarities between people in different countries, different ages, different socioeconomic statuses, all benefiting from mindfulness made me realize that I need to study this more. And so I left traditional education and now I teach mindfulness in schools to children and I teach to adults.
Man, we are just, again, so excited. And I want to tell you a little bit of how this came to be, how this 14-day course came to be. As you know, right now, we are in an unprecedented time in the world. Many of us are having to be teachers, and we never thought we would be teachers. Many of us are having to figure out technology that we never thought we would have to figure out. And many of us are dealing with emotions of all those new changes happening. And we're feeling disconnected. So I don't know if that's you, but if that's you, you've come to the right place for this 14-day period. If you are feeling disconnected, if you are feeling lonely, if you are feeling stressed out, if you are feeling strong emotions of any type, this course is for you.
Yes. So in this course, we'll provide you with each of 14 days, and through a new email, we'll provide you with a link to a YouTube video with that day's lessons, and as well as a PDF exercise of something that you can do to reflect on the lesson and just bring awareness to your own experience. And we also hope that you participate in our Facebook group as well, and feel free to share your experience, to ask us questions, to reach out for support. We're here for you, and thank you for just taking the time to acknowledge your strong emotions during this time of great uncertainty and for honoring your self-care.
Yeah, and with that, guys, let's get ready to dive in to day one.